मर बैठी तू ऐसे जुदा हुआ मैं रात तू सुबह हुआ तुझ पे मैं मरता रहा तुझे याद मैं करता रहा.
What medication is commonly used to relieve allergy symptoms such as sneezing and itching? Answer C, loratadine. Which of the following is an anticoagulant medication prescribed to prevent blood clots? Answer B, warfarin. What is the medicine omeprazole used for? Answer A, acid reflux. In psychiatry, what class of medication is often prescribed for the treatment of depression? Answer B, antidepressants. Which medication is commonly used to treat acid reflux and peptic ulcers? Answer B, ranitidine. What is the primary purpose of the medication albuterol? Answer A, asthma relief.